Oh, the opportunity to compete today was fantastic. After years of working, it definitely felt good to be out here and be one of the few that was able to compete.
It's an honor for myself because this is something that I strive for my work to speak for itself, and it's going to be recognized nationally.
CEF has had an impact on my career. It's taught me a lot by getting into detail on electrical theory, electrical service.
I came to CEF because I wanted to move up in my career, and I wanted to get a formal training that was going to teach me as much as I could to be the best I can in the field.
I want to know my craft inside and out and be able to help others who are coming after me.
I was trying to know anything about this field, and this was the opportunity to come over here and start to work with the tools that I didn't know before, and now I'm getting the experience.
I would recommend CEF to others because it got a variety of things you could do, different things to learn.
There are very good teachers over here. They take the time to explain anything you want to know.
You have to put in your time, your effort, but in the long run, it's worth it.